Volatility 75. If you've watched most of my videos, you'd know that I've always talked negatively about Volatility 75. I've always advised people not to trade Volatility 75 a lot because a lot of people trade it, and because of that, if there's any need for DERIV to manipulate a trade, that Volatility 75 is the best bet they can use to manipulate the trade. Because once they manipulate a trade in volatility, once they manipulate anything in Volatility 75, it affects a lot of people compared to when they manipulate something in Volatility 25 index, which is just very few people that trade it. And so because of that, in a YouTube video I did last year, I did advise lots of beginners not to trade Volatility 75 at all. Why those who are intermediate, that they should rarely trade it, then the professionals that can also trade it because of the complexity and the whole thing. But yesterday we took a trade on Volatility 75. It's been long I took a trade on Volatility 75. If you've been following me, always. But yesterday I decided to try it out, and we took a trade. We took a signal. I saw a perfect entry. We entered the signal. It gave us about $5,300 or thereabout. So in this YouTube video, I'm just going to go through the whole process like I've always done in my former YouTube videos. Like I always say, I did say that forex trading is very easy, not very easy actually, but it's very nice. And blowing accounts in forex is normal. But when you blow accounts over and over again because of very small things or some things or things that you can avoid, then it becomes abnormal. And so because of that, I did mention that forex trading, that I'm going to bring out my time, on YouTube here to dish out videos, my strategies out there to the world to see and learn, so that people can go and trade and make money. We should be the ones milking the brokers and not the brokers milking us. So believe me, by the time you watch most of the videos I've posted you on YouTube, the strategies and the rest, and you enter a trade, you will make a lot of money. There are lots of testimonies attesting to that. There are lots of things, attesting to the whole fact of the stuff. So we gave a signal. You can see the profit, and I also added the profits of the subscribers, my subscribers, who also took the trade, and decided to send me a screenshot of their profits. That's this to show you that this is very nice and very good. So I'm just going to go through the whole process of the analyzing of the market, why I took the trade, that's where I took it, why I closed, that's where I closed it, why I used the lot size I used, and then the sniper entry as well. You're just going to see it is very nice. So we move over to the video. Let me say something. For those who might be wondering, or who might want to say stuff in the comment section, like they did in the Instagram page, in my Instagram page, when I posted the profits, and they're telling me, don't you trade Volatility, that you told us not to trade Volatility 75. How come all of a sudden you're trading it? Please, I didn't tell you not to trade Volatility 75. I said that if you want to trade it, you should be very careful. And I did mention that it is very, very important that you rarely trade it. It shouldn't be something you do all the time regularly like you do to other indices. It should be something that I do rarely, just like I've done. I can count the number of times I've traded Volatility 75 this year already. So that's the point. I'm just going to go over to the analysis of the video, and you're going to see everything. This is make DERIV. It was a signal when it was sent. Buy Volatility 75, SL 645569, TP1, TP2. This is the time where we had our take profit 1. This is our and this is a subscriber who made money, who milked the trade as well. He sends me his the profits he made from $61 to $268. Yes, you can see that here. And this is another person from $520 to $380 something. You can see, that's just it. So let's just move out. Let's just move out to the real analysis, so that so as you can see, it's a very simple analysis. It's just very simple. You can see where we took the trade at sniper entry. Let's go to 1 minute so that you see it as well. We took the trade immediately. We took the trade here. The market began to buy, and it bought and bought and bought and made a lot of money for us. So you can see how simple the trade is. It's just, this strategy is just a simple breakout and retest. Just very simple breakout and retest. This is a trend line here. You already know how to find this from the other YouTube videos we've talked about. You just draw this and then you watch. So now you've known that this market respects this particular area. and here it broke out, and then you're going to see the retest here in 5 minutes, as you can see here. Let me draw this very well so that you can see what we're talking about. Sorry for that. So in 5 minutes, just a simple breakout and retest, it retested. This would have been taken up a bit to this point, and it retested here, and we buy and we took the buy. So just this is how easy the strategy. This particular one is a very easy one. It's very easy. I know, you might be expecting the big kind of ones that we've had before, but this one is just the easy one. Just a simple breakout and retest. If in the other means, I would have asked us to go to the higher time frame, analyze and all those things before we get to this particular area. All those ones are necessary, but I've done the analysis before, so I just wanted to skip to the whole part of why I took the trade at the point that I took it. And then for the take profit, why I made my take profit there, you can see this area here. That's where the market kind of made the move. So I took I made my take profit around this area, and that's a lot of money as well. As you can see, $5,000 something, from just making use of simple breakout and retest strategy. And that's how we just make the whole of DERIV of $5,000 and something. So this is very nice. A very simple strategy, breakout and retest. Once there's a breakout, you wait for the retest before taking the trade. Excellent, easy, and then very, very easy. So yeah, I don't want to stress more on this video. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell. We're going to be posting more videos, insightful videos that you learn a lot of things from. This is Milk DERIV and all this Milk DERIV. Thank you very much.